What's up, y'all? It's your boy Black Hour, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Hour. Today I'm going to show you how to make some Crockpot pulled pork barbecue sandwiches. So let's go ahead and do like old Too Short and blow the whistle and get this thing, get it going. Oh! That's right, baby. Crockpot barbecue pulled pork sandwich. Now you're saying, Black Hour, pork. What kind of pork are you gonna use today? Well, today we've just got some boneless pork loins. These are gonna be good because they're gonna come out tender. Ain't no bone in there. You don't have to deal with that shit, and you can just pull them apart pretty easily once you're done. Now, you're saying to yourself, Black Hour, where are we going to get that barbecue flavor? Well, we're going to continue again with the rubs that was sent to me by my good friend Paulie Dedmans. Now, Paulie's got his own YouTube channel. He is the king of Michigan, baby. He's the pizza prince. He's trying all kinds of pizzas. He's making good recipes. Make sure to, take yourself over to his channel and subscribe. Show him some love, because he's been showing me some love with these rubs. So, this rub I'm using today is the Honey Hog Hot Barbecue. And I'm looking at this hog on the front. He's got some fire coming out of his mouth. The bees are chasing it. And I bet his culo's burning a little bit too. You know what I'm talking about? So, let's go ahead and take a smell of this one. Woo! Got a little spice on there, you know what I'm talking about. So, looking forward to that. So, we've got our loins out here, Look at what I'm talking about here. This big boneless loin. Check that thing out. Yeah, look out, ladies. So, gonna go ahead and sprinkle this right on top of that loin. Sprinkle, 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 sprinkle. And it smells good already, buddy. But we gotta rub it in and sing to it, sweet meat. You know how we do. So, flip that thing over and you're saying, Black Hour, did you use the apple juice marinade that you usually do? Well, not this time, baby. You know me. And you know what I'm going to say, so say it with me. I got time for that shit. I didn't have time this time. I just had to do what I got to do. So, we're going to go ahead and rub this in, and look at that. It's got a good color to it, like Mark McGrath's hair. So, you go ahead and flip that over. And what I want to do is go ahead and let these sit for about 10 minutes or so. Just soak up that good flavor. Then we're going to throw them in the crock pot, and I'll meet you back here. We'll get that done, and then we'll be done. So, yeah, boy, we got the crock pot, and we're ready to roll. And after rubbing those down with this honey hot barbecue rub here, my fingers are on fire like Liberace. So I know this is probably going to be a little hot tonight. So I like it already. Now we're going to go ahead and take our boneless loin and put it down in here, just like so. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Like I said, it's got that good red to it. That big red like Clifford the dog. So, put those in there. We're going to put our lid on top here. And I'm going to put this on high for 4 hours. Now, you're saying, Black Hour, can I put it on low? Well, yeah, it's going to take you 8 hours though, and you know me. I ain't got time for that shit. So, put mine on high again, baby. And once it's done, we'll come back and we'll pull it apart and we'll start making them sandwiches, boys. So, see you in about 4 hours. I'm going to go, I'll do something. You do something. See you then. Well, damn, there you are. Now you're saying, Black Hour, and I know what you're going to say. I already hear you saying it to me. Black Hour, looks like you've already got your plate made. Looks like you got everything but your bib, Fat Albert. Well, you're right, because I'm starving to death. I can't wait around on you to horse around all night, but I will line you out on what I did. So, like I said, we got the rub, put on those loins, went ahead and put them in there and had them going for 4 hours or so. Now, after 4 hours, should be good and tender and have a beautiful color to it, baby. So go ahead and pull out your loins, and go ahead and set them down and kind of let them cool off for just a minute. Then you want to take a knife and a fork and just kind of shred, baby, and see how easily it falls apart, and it's so tender, baby, and juicy and good. Oh my goodness gracious. That's the good stuff, baby, the goosh. So, you got it pulled apart. Now, at this point, I was going to go ahead and add a little barbecue sauce, and I would have added that Sweet Baby Ray's for that sweet flavor. But that meat was so good, that rub was so delicious, I could smell it, and it tempted me so much. I took a little bite of it. I couldn't bring myself to put sauce on that meat and blend it in that crock pot like that. So I thought, you know what I'll do? I'll put it straight on the sandwich and I'll put a little sauce on there. And I'll show you what I'm talking about right there too. So we got the meat pulled, and now we can go ahead and assemble our Sammy baby. Yeah, Sammy Sosa. So we go ahead and put your bun down, And then get you a big old heaping helping of that meat, baby, because you want it all, baby. You want it all, the good stuff. So, put that meat down on the bottom of that thing. And then I add a little lettuce, because lettuce have a big old bite of this delicious sandwich tonight, you know. So, and you can go ahead and add you some pickle. And that pickle, it's going to give it a little acidic, you know, bite. It's a little something different. You go with that spicy barbecue, dark, savory flavor, and then a little bit of that bright bite of that pickle, baby. That big #1. So, got your pickle on there. Last, let's go ahead and add a little sweet baby rays on top, just to even things out. Just give a little something, baby. So, once you got that done, it's a beautiful sight, baby, and let me tell you, it smells great tonight. So, let's take a look, and then I'm going to have a big old bite. For me, you know I'm right, and you know I am, you know I am, you know I am, yeah. Alright, baby, the time has come. The pulled pork crockpot barbecue sandwich deal is done. And I'm having the first sloppy bite. I'm guessing it's going to be a slobber for me. So, excuse me. If I can get my hands on the thing here. Like I said, it's going to be messy, but I think it's going to be well worth it, sir. So, Man. Dude. Ooh. The spice from that rub. And like I said, that acidic pickle. Do a little dance in there, baby. Do a little mambo together, and I like it, baby. I can get down with that. So, delicious, baby. Great stuff. I want to thank Paulie again for sending me another great rub. I got one more to try, and I'll be trying it next week, so y'all tune in to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos right here on my YouTube channel. Now, y'all have a good one. Enjoy that big old sandwich, and I'll see you next time.